Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Brave browser and remove profile data, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Brave browser on Windows, first, click on the Start menu. Next, type Control Panel in the search bar and press Enter. In the Control Panel, select Programs. Then click on Programs and Features. Scroll through the list to find Brave. Click on Brave browser to highlight it. After that, click on the Uninstall button at the top of the window. Follow the prompts to confirm the uninstallation process. Once Brave is uninstalled, we move on to removing profile data. Open File Explorer on your computer. In the address bar, type %local app data% and press Enter. This will take you to the local app data folder. Look for a folder named Brave Software. Right-click on the Brave Software folder and select Delete. Confirm the delete. Next, return to File Explorer and type %appdata% in the address bar. Press Enter to open the roaming app data folder. Locate the Brave Software folder here as well. Right-click on it and select Delete again. Now you have successfully removed the Brave browser and its profile data. For Mac users, start by opening Finder. Go to the Applications folder. Find Brave browser, right-click, and select Move to Trash. Next, click on Go in the menu bar. Hold down the Option key and select Library. Within the library, navigate to Application Support. To remove any remaining files, go back to the library. Check the Caches folder for anything related to Brave. Delete any relevant Brave files you find there. After these steps, you'll have fully uninstalled Brave browser along with its profile data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.